Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Let us solve exercise 26B part 2 from the book Concise Selena class 9 ICSE. So children, we are going to solve few questions. Let us see in how many parts it is being done. We begin from question number 4 in this video. So if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Let's start with question number 4. In question number 4, it says, draw the graph for each equation given below. And in each case, find the coordinates of the points where the graph, a line drawn, meets the coordinate axis, where it meets at x-axis and y-axis. So the first one, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Let us make y the subject. So 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 6. So y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 6 by 2, which is 3. So now let us create a table x and y. So if I take x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 3. If you take x is equal to 2, so if you take x is equal to 2, so minus 3 by 2 into 2 plus 3. So you get y is equal to minus 3 plus 3, we get 0. And here itself, we understand that the line will meet the x-axis. It will meet the x-axis at 2, 0. It will meet x-axis at 2, 0. So this is the point which is 2, 0. So where the line is going to meet x-axis. And it will meet y-axis as 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. So here it meets at 0, 3, it meets y-axis. So this is where the line meets y-axis. And here, this is where the line meets at x-axis. So only these 2 points are enough for us to draw the line. And let us draw the line passing through these 2 points. And we now understood where the line meets at x-axis and y-axis. Let's move on to question number 2. The second one, we have 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Let us take minus 5y here. So you get 2x minus 10 is equal to 5y. Or um, you get 2x, 2 by 5x minus 10 by 5 is equal to y. So you get y is equal to 2 by 5x minus 2. So if you put x and y, x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to minus 2. Now we want where the line meets the coordinate axis. So let us put y is equal to 0. So if you put y is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 2 by 5x minus 2. Minus 2 shifts here. You get 2 by 5 x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 into 5 by 2. This 2 and 2 got cancelled. So you get this as x is equal to 5. So if y is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 5. Let us take these 2 points, x 0 and y minus 2. So x is 0 and y minus 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is this point where the line meets y-axis. This is the point where line meets y-axis. And phi 0, x is phi and y 0. So phi comma 0, this is the point where the line meets y-axis. So you need to write this in the meets x-axis. Sorry, the line meets x-axis. So you need to write this in the sentence form. Here I'm just explaining you the concept. And then you are asked to draw the line. So this is our line ready. And the line is 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. So let's do question number 3 here. So we take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we have 3 into this, we'll have to multiply by 3 here. So this becomes 3x, multiplying numerator and denominator by 3 and multiplying by 2 here. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 upon 6 is equal to 5. So you get 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 5s are 30. So 3x is equal to minus 4y plus 30. Dividing by 3, you get x is equal to minus 4 by 3y plus 30 by 3, which is 10. Now let us create a table of x and y. Let us put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, you get this 10 goes here. So you get minus 4 by 3y is equal to minus 10. So you get y is equal to 10 into 3 by 4. Minus sign gets cancelled. 2 2s are and 2 5s are. 5 3s are 15 by 2. So we get y is equal to 7.5. So we are getting 7.5 here. So 0, 7.5. X is 0 and y is 7.5 is this point. So 0, 7.5. So we can see that the line meets y-axis at 0, 7.5. So here is the point where the line meets y-axis. Now let us put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 10. If y is 0, you get x is equal to 10. So 0, 10 is this point where the line meets 0, comma 10 is the point where the line meets x-axis. This is the point where the line meets x-axis. Got it? So let us draw the line, and this is our line passing through these points, and the line is half x plus 2 by 3y is equal to 5. Got it? So we did fourth part. Again, let us take 2. This is 2x minus 1 upon 3. This entire fraction we shift the other side, so it becomes positive, 0 plus this thing. So y minus 2 upon 5. Cross multiply 5 in bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 bracket y minus 2. 5 2s are 10x minus 5 1s are 5 is equal to 3y. 3 2s are minus 6. So we get 10x is equal to 3y minus 6 plus 5. So we get 10x is equal to 3y minus 1. So y is equal to 3y minus 1 upon x is equal to 3y minus 1 upon 10. Let us create a table for x and y. If you put x is equal to 0, if you put x is equal to 0, this 10 goes here 0. So you get 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3 we get. So y is 1 by 3. So where does the line meets? So coordinates where the line meets y-axis is 0, 1 by 3. So this is the point. 0, comma 1 by 3 is the point where line meets y-axis. Okay, now we want y is equal to 0. So 1 by 3 is nothing but you have 0.33. So this point 0, 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, which is 0.33 is going to come somewhere very much here. So the point will be over here somewhere, 0, 1 by 3. Okay, the next let us put y is equal to 0. So if you put y is equal to 0 in this equation, so you have x is equal to 0 minus 1 upon 10, 3 times 0. So you get x is equal to minus 1 by 10, which is minus 0.1. So the point where this is minus 0.1 or minus 1 by 10. So this is the point where the line meets x-axis. So 0 minus 0.1. So minus 0.1 is going to come over here somewhere. So this is the point where the line meets x-axis is x-axis. The line meets x-axis at minus 1 by 10, comma 0. Got it? For each linear equation below, draw the graph and then use the graph drawn in each case to find the area of a triangle enclosed by the graph and the coordinate axis. Okay, so let us start with the first one. We simplify this. So we get 3x minus 5 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to minus 3x minus 5 goes here, becomes plus 7 plus 5. So you get y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Let us create a table for x and y. So if you put x is equal to 0 here, you get y is equal to 12. And if you put y is equal to 0, so you get 12. If you put y is equal to 0, 0 is equal to minus 3x plus 12. So minus 3x is equal to minus 12, or x is equal to 4. So you get x is equal to 4. So you got these two. If you put y is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 4. I'm sorry. If you take y is equal to 0, you get x is equal to 4. So let us plot this point. So 0, 12. So this is the point where line meets y-axis. It is 0, comma 12. Then the next point is 4, comma 0. So 4, comma 0 is this point. Let's draw this line, joining these 2 points exactly with the help of a ruler. And then we are asked to find the area of this triangle. So area of the, we have to find the area of a triangle enclosed by the graph and the coordinate axis. So this is the triangle which is enclosed by the graph. So this is the triangle which is being formed. So if you are asked to find the area of a triangle, this is the right triangle. So area of this triangle, let us name it as AOB. So area of triangle AOB, area of triangle AOB is equal to half base into height, where base is 4. So this distance is 4 and height is 11. So 4 into 12. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. 12 twos are, you get 24 square units is the area of the triangle enclosed by this graph. Got it? 7 minus 3 into y is plus 3y is equal to minus 5 plus 2x. So we get 3y is equal to 2x, and this is 7 minus 3 is 4, so which is minus 5 minus 4. So 3y is equal to 2x minus 9. Now let us find the values of x and y. So making y the subject, y is equal to 2 by 3x minus 9 by 3, which is 3. So 2 by 3, dividing by 3 over here. So creating a table x and y, if you take x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to minus 3. So 0 minus 3, 0 and minus 3, let us take this point 0 and minus 3. So this is the point 0 and minus 3. Now, let us take another point. So, if you take x is equal to 3, if you take x is equal to 3, 3 and 3, so 2 by 3 times 3 minus 3, 3 and 3 got cancelled, 2 minus 3, we get y is equal to minus 1. So, 3 and minus 1, x is 3 and y is minus 1. So, x is 3 and y is minus 1. So, you get x3 and y minus 1 is this point, x is 3 and y minus 1 is this point, 3 comma minus 1. Okay, and now let us join these 2 points and extend it further. So joining these 2 points and extending it further, let us see the triangle formed. So we have 0, minus 3 and 3 comma minus 1. And this is the triangle which is being formed. How will I get the value of y 0? So if it is 2 by 3x, and if you want to find the value of y as 0, so x is 4.5. If you take x as 4.5, if you take x as 4.5, do you get the value of y as 0? So y is equal to 2 upon 3 into 4.5 minus 3. 3 ones are, and 3 is 1.5 are. So 1.5 is 3. This is 3 minus 3. You get y is equal to 0. So if it is x is 4.5, you are getting y is 0. Now this is passing through 4.5. So why did we take this point, where it is cutting at x-axis? Where it is cutting at x-axis. So this is the point 4.5 comma 0. Now let us take the area of this triangle. So let us name this triangle as POQ. So this is the point P, this is O, and this is Q. So this is again a right triangle. So we have area of triangle POQ is equal to half base. Let us take this base as 3 units. We cannot take the distance as negative. So into 3 into 4.5. This is 4.5. Base and height. So for right triangle, we take the perpendicular side. So 2 ones are and 2 1.5s are. So 1.5 into 4.5, you get this as, so 1.5 into 4.5, let us do, and we find 1.5 multiplied by 4.55, this is 7, 6 and 2 decimal places. So this is 6.75 square units is the area of this triangle. Got it? For each of the linear equations given below, draw the graphs and then state whether the lines drawn are parallel or perpendicular to each other, children. So we are going to draw the lines, but just remember, if the slope is same, the lines are parallel. So definitely the lines are going to be parallel for the first case. So y is equal to 3x minus 1. So let us plot the points for first one. Y is equal to 3x minus 1. So let us make the coordinates for this. If x is 0, you are getting y as minus 1. If x is 2, 3 twos are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So 0, 1, minus 1 and 2, 5. Let us draw the graph for this line. 0, comma minus 1, 0, this is your point 0, comma minus 1. So this is the point 0, comma minus 1. And 2, 5. X is 2 and y is 5. This is 2, comma 5. So let us draw this line. So this is the line for the equation. See, I am not having a ruler, not able to do on the pen tab. So this is the line y is equal to 3x minus 1. Now let us draw the graph for the another line, which is y is equal to 3x plus 2. So let us make the points for that. So if you put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to minus 2, so 3 2s are minus 6, minus 6 plus 2, you get y is equal to minus 4. So minus, if you take x is equal to minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So minus 2, 4, let us plot these 2 points, 0, comma 2. X is 0 and y is 2. 0, comma 2 is this point, 0 and 2. The next point is minus 2, minus 4. So x is minus 2 and y is minus 4. Minus 2 and minus 4 is this point. Minus 2, minus 4. This is minus 2, minus 4. And let us draw these lines. When you draw these lines, you will see that these two lines are parallel. See, I'm not using a ruler, but you will find that when you are doing in your graph, you will always find these two lines are parallel. So here the lines are parallel. Okay, we find that these two lines are parallel. So this line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. So what we observe here, when the slope is same, the lines are parallel. When the slope is, let us do the second one. In the second one, you have y is equal to x minus 3. So let us create a table x and y. If x is 0, you are getting y is minus 3. If y is 0, you get x is equal to 3. If y is 0, you get x is equal to 3. Let us plot these 2 points. So 0, comma minus 3. So 0 and y is minus 3. So 0, comma minus 3 is this point, 0, comma minus 3. The next point is 3, comma 0. So it's 3, comma 0. So let us draw the line. So let us draw this line for the line is y is equal to x minus 3. Now let us draw another line, and these lines are going to be perpendicular. So when the product of the slope of this line is 1, the coefficient of x, and the slope of this line is minus 1. So 1 times minus 1, you get minus 1. If the product of the slope is minus 1, the lines are perpendicular. You will observe here now. So let us create a table for the second one, that is y is equal to minus x plus 5. So if you put x is equal to 0, you get y is equal to 5. If you put x is equal to 2, you get y is equal to, if you put x is equal to 2 minus 2 plus 5, you get y is equal to 3. 2 points are enough for drawing a line. 0, comma 5. X is 0, y is 5. 0, comma 5. This is 0, comma 5. The next point is 2, comma 3. So x is 2, y is 3. It is 2, comma 3. And let us draw these two lines. So when you are drawing these two lines, you can see that these two lines are perpendicular. They meet at right angles. So these lines, for second case, the lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. So what do you observe here? When the product of slope is minus 1, the lines are perpendicular. Got it? There are two lines, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6 and x by 2 plus y. For this line, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. And the another line, if you make y the subject, you can see what is the slope. So you can make the coordinates and then plot the points. So if you make y the subject, or let us make x the subject, 2x is equal to 3y plus 6. So x is equal to 3 by 2y plus 3. So let us create a table x and y. So if if y is 0, you get x is equal to 3. If y is minus 2, so if you get y is minus 2, 2 times minus 2 gone, minus 3 plus 3, you get x is equal to 0. If y was minus 2, 3 by 2 times minus 2 plus 3, 2 ones are, this is minus 1, minus 3 plus 3, you get 0. Let us plot this points 3, comma 0. So x is 3, this is 3, comma 0 is this point. Second is 0, comma minus 2. So 0 and minus 2 is this point. So let us draw this line. So our line for the equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 6 is done. So let us do for the second equation. For the second equation, we'll take the points up there. Let us take the points up there. So it is x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. If you take LCM, this becomes 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So you get 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So let us make the points for this. So you get 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 6. And you get y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 6 by 2, which is 3. So if you take the points x and y, if you put x is equal to 0, you are getting y is equal to 3. If you take x is equal to 2, 2 2s are 2 and 2 got cancelled, minus 3 plus 3, you get 0. So 0, 3 and 2, 0. So 0, 3, x is 0, y is 3 is this point, 0, 3 and 2 comma 0, 2 comma 0. This is 2 comma 0. This is the point. And let us draw this line, and you can find that this line is perpendicular. It meets the other line at 90 degrees. So this is the line x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. This is the line, and these lines are perpendicular. These lines are perpendicular. So if you make y the subject, if you make y the subject, so if you make y the subject, you get minus 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. So you get y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 6 upon minus 3. So when you are observing, the slope of this line is 2 by 3. The slope of this line is 2 by 3. And when we have made the subject here, the slope of another line, this line is minus 3 by 2. So we have 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 2, you get the product as minus 1. So whenever the product of the slope is minus 1, the lines are perpendicular. So we have done with three questions over here. Let's start with the 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 24. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 24 by 4. So we get y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 6. Okay, so slope here is the coefficient of x. So m is equal to minus 3 by 4. Let us look for the second equation. So it is x by 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Take LCM, you get 3x plus 4y is equal to 4 3s are 12 is the LCM. So which becomes 12 here. Solving this further, you get 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 12 by 4. So we get which is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 3. So what we observe here again, m is equal to minus 3 by 4. So since the slope is same, since the slope is same for both the lines, these lines are going to be parallel. You can plot the points and draw the line. You will find that these lines are parallel. So this I'm leaving for you to do. So children, we will complete the rest of the questions in the other part, last part. This is part 2. So if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.